Demystifying Nonrestrictive Adjective Clauses. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into a key aspect of English grammar, non-restrictive adjective clauses. This topic might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what they are and how to use them. First, let's do a quick recap. An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a type of dependent clause that acts as an adjective in a sentence. It modifies a noun or pronoun and typically starts with a relative pronoun such as who, which, or that. An example would be, the book, which is on the table, is mine. There are two main types of adjective clauses, restrictive and non-restrictive. Restrictive adjective clauses are essential to the meaning of the sentence, while non-restrictive adjective clauses provide additional information that could be removed without altering the main message of the sentence. Now, let's focus on non-restrictive adjective clauses. These clauses provide extra, non-essential information about a noun or pronoun in a sentence. You can think of them as parenthetical elements because they can be removed without affecting the core meaning of the sentence. They are always separated from the rest of the sentence with commas. For example, in the sentence, my brother, who lives in Canada, is a doctor, the clause, who lives in Canada, is a non-restrictive adjective clause. To identify a non-restrictive adjective clause, look for clauses that start with relative pronouns and provide additional, not essential, information. Remember, if the clause can be removed and the sentence still makes sense, then it's likely a non-restrictive adjective clause. So, that's a wrap on non-restrictive adjective clauses. Remember, they provide extra, non-essential information, and are always set off with commas. With practice, you'll become a pro at identifying and using them. As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy language learning!